So we're in Tulare County today at a dairy farm. We're looking at a newly formed tricolored blackbird colony. We're very excited to see this. This is quite a lot of birds. The birds are very excited, as you can see by them flying to and fro from this triticale field where they'll be nesting, back to the dairy farm where they're looking for insects and other food types to get ready for laying eggs and raising their young. I was raised on a dairy farm in central New York where we were milking about 400 cows growing up, and I feel a very special connection with the dairy farmers here in California, and even more of a connection because I now combine my experience as a farmer on an active farm with the conservation efforts that we're making with the tricolored blackbirds. It's a wonderful way to combine my experiences. I'm very happy and lucky to be doing so. California dairies, like the tricolored blackbird, are both struggling here in the Central Valley, and supporting conservation projects like that for the tricolored blackbird will actually help support these dairy farms and keep both the birds and the farms on the landscape for years to come.
What are some qualities that make blackbirds and dairymen alike?
Well, I think the birds and the farmers are both very adaptable to changing conditions. The farmer has to be nimble, and the birds are able to adapt and move to places where they can find enough food and enough places to nest. And I think for that reason, both of them have a really good chance of surviving some of the upcoming challenges with water and climate change here in the valley.